The last structure that we have, structure number 7, and remember something, these are not the only structures in cooperative language learning. There are so many structures. You can Google them and you can tell us how it went inside your class when you applied them or applied any other techniques. You can share them with us on our community, TEFL Chef. Structure number 7 is going to be a round table or round robin. Usually round robin would be about speaking activities more, and round table would be for the writing activities, but they usually go the same way. So what happens is like this. Now we want to practice writing, okay? Now let's say you are teaching beginners, and we divided the students into teams. So you're going to ask every team to have only one pen and one paper, and you want to make a revision on the certain nouns or verbs that they had inside the class. So you can ask them, for example, I want you to write all of the fruit that you remember. And now everyone inside the team will just take the pen and paper once, and they write, for example, the first one will write apple, and then they move the pen and paper to the second person in the team and they write orange, and then the third one, and so on. In one of my classes, I had a student who would really have a very terrible difficulty when it comes to writing. So what happened is that nobody else can take the pen and paper from her and write for her. So what happened is that the rest of the team, they needed to tell her the spelling and how to write each letter. And sometimes she would just confuse the B with the D, so they would just tell her, no, it's not that direction, it's the other direction, or they would just show it to her or something, but they cannot write it for her. So this way, the team was helping their friend as if they are many teachers inside the team to help her how to write it correctly. And that would help her as a person. She's feeling supported, and her team is helping her become better in the language. And of course, the team here is supporting their friend, because there are certain ground rules that we had in the beginning of the class, because, teamwork is appreciated and they are being praised for this. And also, if they do not work as a team, there will be a score from the game that is deducted from them. So now they really have to help each other so that they can all win.